In a minute, I'm gonna be untouchable. Untouchable. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, I am bringing you guys a wig review sponsored by Yolova hair. They sent me this 5x5 lace closure 26-inch water wave, Brazilian water wave wig to review for you guys. And look, I think she's giving what she needs to give. So if you're interested in figuring out how you too can give what it needs to give, you guys know that all you gotta do is just stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the video. I think I'm gonna do this like a step-by-step tutorial instead of a voiceover tutorial. So I'm gonna be walking you through each little step of this process. Starting off with the wig cap. My hair is braided in that little zigzag pattern from my last video. So my last hair video. So if you haven't seen that one already, go and check it out. I'm going to be using Got To Be to lay this down. I feel like most of the time I spray too much and it makes this like white cast on the cap, so I'm gonna try not to spray that much. Now it's time for foundation, concealer, whatever you choose to use. I'm going to be using this True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. I'm going to be going in with this little shade right here. It is the sculpting shade. So yeah. You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Got my little makeup on there, so my cap blends in. Next, I'm going to be going in with this scented lace spray by Even New York. It is in the color medium brown, so this just prevents you from having to put foundation on your cap as well. I see a lot of people just putting the lace spray on their cap and not necessarily, because not everybody does this method. So you can definitely put on your wig without doing this method. So a lot of people just spray it on their cap. I did go in and bleach the knots, and some people completely skip that step too because of the lace spray, but I'm just gonna spray some on there. Now it's time to put this bad boy on, okay? So this is the wig, and this is what it's looking like. The curl pattern so far, like I said, I bleached the knot, so it is a little wet in the front. So if it's frizzy, don't mind that. 26 inches of water wave, like what? So beautiful. So yeah, this is the wig. I'm gonna put it on. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else, you're all I need, personality, everything you do, makes me In combination with the spray I already showed you guys, I'm going to be taking the holding gel and putting that where I want my lace to lay. This is going to act as the bonding for the wig. Tie this down for a few minutes. And I do think I over bleached a little bit. Well, not over bleached, but the bleach got on the hair. But that's okay. If I was trying to do my part, I probably should have did it before I put the wig on my head, because I would have been able to see better. Because I like to pluck one little row from one side of the part to make it the way I want it, but whatever. Forgot to cut these tabs off. Wow, like, hold on, let me clean it up so it ain't white. Quit baby hair's time. This actually didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take, but time for some baby hairs. The flux on my front. I think I need a little bit more hairs out here for the baby hairs. A little bit more. Hairs are done, so I'm basically about to finalize the process. Wetting my hair, making sure that this up here is flat, and you know, the whole nine. Right now it just looks straight. So I'm gonna keep doing this, and then once it's completely dry, I'll come back and show you all the final product. Take some concealer and just put it on here, on that part. No, I don't think it really needs it. Now this mother look wide. We don't want that. Maybe I should invest in some of that little black spray stuff. There we go. Close it up a little bit. Okay. Once this dries, I will be back. We're back. And the hair is giving what it needs to give. Like, they don't and get your girl 26 inches. And that's on. Okay, they saw the potential. I love this hair so much. It's not completely dry, but it's getting there, and it is so freaking beautiful. 26 inches, y'all. 20. Yes, I love it so much. Baby hairs are on fleek, looking good. Let's get into the packaging, because the packaging, I was already geeked when they reached out and wanted to do a collaboration. Like, when I checked out the website, I was sold already, and I was like, this better not be no scam, because I'm coming for everybody. But then when I got my box in the mail, quit. Do y'all see the box? Look at the box. It's the packaging. Love it so much. So obviously in the box, this is what it looks like again. So everything was in this little bag, this little drawstring bag. So cute. In the bag came obviously the wig. It had these tweezers, it had a wig cap, and then it had these lashes as well. It's the iridescence for me. I think that's what it's called, but it's everywhere, and it's giving what it needs to give. Okay, the box is just everything. Like, when I got the box, I was just geeked. Like, I was sold. I was like, let's go. I'm ready to do this review. Like, let's get it done. I have other curly wigs, but they're more of a deep wave. So this one is more relaxed, more like waves in the ocean, more like, it's just giving water wave. Really cute. Love it. 26 inches. Love it so much. I do want to say that after I plucked the hairline, it looked way better. It said that it was pre-plucked, but obviously you do need to go in and do a little bit more plucking to get it to your liking. No tangling. Like I said, it's still wet and it's not dry thus far, but if you guys want an updated review on this hair, I'm definitely willing to do that. But look, I ain't gonna promise that to y'all, because stuff be happening, and you know, I be trying to keep my promises. So I don't promise something that I know I can't keep. But if it's something that is really like wanted, that's something that I can definitely do. But this is the curl pattern. Getting better at installing wigs. Each wig review. Okay, so in a minute, I'm gonna be untouchable. But yeah, no complaints, I don't think. I really do want to start wearing wigs more than what I do now. So this one is staying on my head for a while, okay? She's staying here until the lace starts lifting, okay? But if you guys are interested in copying this one, if you guys are interested in checking out Yolova in general, I do have a coupon code, and it's going to be right here, and it's also going to be linked in the description box below. So make sure you check them out, and if you check them out, let them know I sent you by using my coupon code, and you can save you some coin. Like, who ain't trying to save them some coin on a wig? Let me know. You're not trying to save no coin? Oh, you must be rich, okay? Big ball. But yeah, I really enjoyed this hair. I really enjoyed the process of installing it, and I hope you all did too. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see and talk to y'all in my next one. Bye. Miss, where you going? I'm so excited to announce that in this video, I am doing my 1K subscriber wig giveaway. We are well over 1,000 subscribers, and I felt like this video was fitting because I'm reviewing a wig. So if you guys have entered any of my other giveaways, or if you've been here for a while, you already know how it goes. The first thing that you must be is subscribed to my channel. So if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and click that white, red, blue, whatever color your subscribe button is, hit it so you can go ahead and join Kayla's Corner. The second thing that you must do is go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is the Kayla's Corner. It's going to be right here on the screen somewhere, and it's also going to be in my description box below. And then while you're there, go ahead and like my last 2 posts because I think I was looking cute. And why not? You're already there, so go ahead and show my page some love. And then after that, just leave a comment down below. Let me know your Instagram name and your favorite type of wigs. All of the wigs that are up for the giveaway will be linked down below. There's going to be one winner, but you will have the option to choose which wig you want. So the things that you must do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and like my last 2 Instagram posts. After that, comment your Instagram name down below and let me know the type of wigs that you like. So yeah, all of the wigs that are up for the giveaway will be in my description box below, along with wig details, along with everything else that I just talked about in this video, because I talked about a lot and I talk fast and I don't remember everything that I talked about. But yes, everything that you need to know about the wig, about the giveaway, everything will be linked down below. And make sure you follow all the instructions, y'all, because I want everybody to have an equal part at being able to enter the giveaway. Okay, so just make sure you follow all of the instructions, and then that is going to for real conclude this video. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to enter the giveaway. And I will see and talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.